Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear TikTok app cache. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner. Then you want to click on the top right corner with the 3-line stripes button. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're on settings and privacy, all you gotta do is to scroll down and to find a very important setting, which is under cache and cellular. Okay, you want to click on free up space. This is where you're going to find cache and where you're going to find the downloads. For clearing a cache, you want to click on clear, right? And what this will actually do will free up space, and this is important because this will not change your TikTok experience. The second option that you clear some data will be to clear the downloads as well. This is all the filters, stickers, everything, videos that you saved or download through the app, and this is simply allowing you to have much better experience, much smooth, considering that when you delete the downloads and delete the whole cache, your user experience will be much smoother. As you can see, we're already experiencing much smoother experience. This is also very important to do the same exact thing on your iPhone, but I will leave this for a different video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.